Do you want to get these super smooth camera movements? Here's how to do it. First, open the effects panel and drag in a Fusion composition. Then open it in Fusion. Add a text 3D or image plane node using the toolbar to bring your text or images into 3D space. Connect everything into a Merge 3D node by clicking it from the toolbar and linking all outputs into it. Now you have a 3D scene. Next, add a Camera 3D node from the toolbar and connect it to the Merge 3D. To see through the camera, add a Renderer 3D node. Now position your camera where you want the animation to start. Most people animate the camera directly in one node. That leads to stiff, unnatural movement. Here's the correct way. Animate only one movement per node. To do that, press Shift plus space and add a Transform 3D node. Using the inspector, set the pivot roughly to the camera's position. Make sure not to move it in the viewer, since these controls affect position values, not the pivot. Go to your start position and keyframe the position and rotation at 0. Then move a few frames forward and reposition your camera to the next point of interest. Now open the Spline tab, select both keyframes, and press S to smooth them. Now press Ctrl+T and adjust the values to change the smoothness. Now you have one clean movement. To add more motion, add another Transform 3D node and repeat the same process. Make sure the new keyframes start before the previous ones end. To check this, select all Transform 3D nodes and view them together in the Spline tab. You should see them slightly overlapping like this. That overlap creates smooth transitions between movements. What you're doing is building a controlled, smooth camera path step by step. That's why it looks smooth instead of chaotic. If you want to recreate this exact scene, you can use my free text message bubbles template. Link in the description. That's it. Subscribe.
Shock editor.